Let's give our AI voice agent a superpower by adding knowledge base.
This is Ava. How may I assist you today?
I would like to know the operation time of the salon.
The Rustic Retreats operation hours are Monday, Friday, 9 a.m., 8 p.m., and Saturday, 10 a.m., 6 p.m. They are closed on Sundays.
Okay, what all services offered?
The Rustic Retreat offers haircuts, hair coloring, styling, treatments, manicures and pedicures, and facials.
Thank you. AI voice agents not only chat with your customers, but actually knows answers to all their burning questions. So, no more repetitive questions and no more wasting time. Let's dive in and make this. First thing we need is some information about the business. Like I have given a prompt for the ChatGPT, and ChatGPT had provided me a salon informations. Its name is the Rustic Retreat. So I have copied this and pasted in a text file, and let's log into vapi. So inside vapi, I am using customer support, create assistant. Okay, here assistant is ready. Ava, okay, let it be here. And what we need to change, transcriber, everything we are keeping it as it is. As the video, just maybe we can add the office sound. Okay, we don't have any functions. Okay, anyways, for the sake of the video, we can keep all the information in Ava as a same. And let's do the main thing, like head to file, and here's the knowledge base. Here we can dump any information about our business so that we can train the AI. So either we can drag and drop or select a file locally. So I am choosing a file from my system. So I have uploaded a file from my system. So upload file and go back. So after uploading the file, we have to go into assistant and select the file we have copied from ChatGPT, so salon name. Okay, and click on publish. Here you go. Now let's test our Ava. Okay, talk with assistant.
Hello, this is Ava. How may I assist you today?
Hello, I want to know the salon address.
Yes, I'm here. The salon address is 123 Main Street, Old Town, USA 45678.
And what is your operation time?
Our operation times are Monday, Friday from 9 a.m. to 8 p.m., Saturday from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m., and we are closed on Sundays.
Okay, so
Great.
What kind of facials you have?
We offer classic facial for $60, anti-aging facial for $80, and acne treatment facial for $70.
Okay, so do I need an appointment?
We recommend making an appointment to ensure you get the time slot that works best for you. However, we do accept walk-ins based on availability.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to ask.
So that's it. So our Ava knows everything about our business. Let's check the documentation part of this knowledge base. So docs. Here you can see documentation part clearly explains what is vapi's knowledge base and how we can create this knowledge base, and also its uses, and let me check. See here, which all type of documents we can upload in this, like Markdown, PDF, plain text, Microsoft. All these file types can be uploaded. That was pretty easy and straightforward. But what we will do if you want to feed the content of a website into the knowledge base? There is no straightforward method, but we can do it. For that, first we have to find a website converter. I am using this website converter. There are a ton out there. You can use anyone which is comfortable for you. So I am just copying this website URL. It's just as salon SOM. convert to text. I'm not okay. Here they have given site content in a text format, and next we have to copy this. Okay, see. So coming back to ChatGPT, we can write a prompt to convert and paste our text from the converter. Now we get a structured form of content. Here you can copy this to a text file and feed it to the knowledge base. Hope you understand how to train your AI agent. Please let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.